Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Jeep Grand Cherokee tail light. First, let's prepare by gathering the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver and either a new tail light assembly or replacement bulbs. Always prioritize safety by ensuring your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. This straightforward process usually takes around 15 to 20 minutes. Now, let's begin by accessing the tail light assembly. Open your Jeep Grand Cherokee's rear liftgate. You will typically find two retaining screws on the inner edge of the tail light assembly. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, carefully loosen and remove both of these screws. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back from the vehicle to release it from its mounting pins. With the tail light assembly removed, it's time to address the bulbs. Twist each bulb socket counterclockwise to detach them from the old assembly. Take a moment to inspect the wiring harness and the bulb sockets for any corrosion or damage. If you are replacing the entire assembly, transfer your working bulbs. If replacing bulbs, insert new ones, then twist the sockets clockwise into the new tail light assembly to secure them. For the final steps, carefully align the new tail light assembly with the mounting pins on your vehicle's body. Gently push the assembly straight into place until it sits flush. Next, reinsert and securely tighten the two retaining screws using your Phillips head screwdriver. Finally, turn on your vehicle and thoroughly test the brake lights, turn signals, and running lights to ensure everything is functioning correctly before hitting the road.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.